let me show you how you can set up certain numbers as currency in numbers on your Mac. So here I am, I got this price column, so I can select my prices, or I can select the whole column by clicking on the letter B. So select the range you want to change, and then on the right side in the format section, move from table to cell. And from here you can set your data format from the automatic one to currency. And with currency selected, we can decide on decimals, and we can also decide on what currency you want to highlight. As you can see, there are all of them here, so you can just find the one you need. Let's go with US dollar. Here it is, and now you can also decide how many zeros you see after the dot using this window here. And you can also decide how you will show negative numbers. So that's also something we can set up from here. You can turn on accounting style, then the currency symbol will move to the left, and the negative numbers will be shown in those brackets. Alright, so that's how you can set up a certain number as the currency, and that's how you can change it to a different currency in numbers on your Mac. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.